Hi, my name is Jimena Mandujano Velázquez, and I'm going to talk about my Reflex project. I start talk about my main topic, and it is the economy in the clandestine clinics of the state of Puebla. And then my dilemma is how does clandestine clinics in teenagers of 15 to 19 years influence personally and economically in the state of Puebla? Okay, well, how affect the clandestine clinics the economy of Puebla? In this moment, we talk about abortion as a crime, a serious crime, because the teenagers doesn't have to take care with the situation that they practice. I'm talking about the economy for teenagers, how is not careful where abortion is performed, and the government loses more than 48% of capital, and for this reason, the mortality rate increased. There are studies that prove the existence of four causes to allow abortion, such as rape, recklessness, serious engagement, or that the mother is in danger of death. However, many times they are not respected, so that teenagers resort to other options, such as cleansing clinics, where in addition to putting their lives at risk, they are asked for a large amount of money. Puebla is the second nationwide identity with more women or teenagers who attend clinics to abortion. With this, we can say that the government loses 30% of taxes not only in clinics, because it is these places that do not pay the necessary taxes, and the teenagers do not pay taxes due to being minors. Okay. As far as the economy is spoken, we have that it affects 40% per capita for each adolescent or woman who gets to perform an abortion illegally. Awake, this figure may increase depends of the people who resort to this type of places. Eventually, the lack of agents of this type of places cause that 5 of 10 women suffer the latter in the other causes, so they remain sterile or have a type of disease which causes the government to need more funds so that they can supply all patients. Although Puebla is one of the few states that legally abortion is the nation, in my I agree of this in certain cases, saying it is a violation or any act that damage the safety or each woman. This woman should not be allowed to stay with the babies, saying the infants will suffer more than the mothers. Health said due to a study carried out in the state of Sinaloa, it was found that children with abused mothers are those who take 58% of suicidal children and 30% of this population suffer from discrimination, resulting in a long-term trauma. Um, to become murderers, the state loses 47% of the money in each businesswoman. With this, I confirm that cleansing clinics and abortion among teenagers aged 15 to 19 affected both the state economy and themselves. Thank you. This is my Reflected project. And thank you.